Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the types of bank accounts SoFi offers. SoFi is a financial services company that provides a variety of products, but when it comes to banking, their main offering is a combined checking and savings account. This is a unique hybrid account that allows you to manage your everyday spending and your long-term savings in one place. The SoFi checking account portion functions like a traditional checking account, offering features like a debit card and the ability to pay bills. The savings account portion is a high-yield account, meaning it offers a higher interest rate than a typical savings account. A notable feature of the SoFi savings account is the ability to create vaults, which are sub-accounts you can use to set and track specific savings goals, such as an emergency fund or a vacation. While SoFi's primary bank account product is the combined checking and savings account, they also offer various investment and retirement accounts. This includes individual and joint investment accounts, as well as tax-advantaged retirement accounts like traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and SEP IRAs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.